All right, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hey, good morning, Adam. Bill, good morning. Marty, good morning. Steven, good morning. Brad, how are you? Gregory, good morning. Sayed, good morning. Well, how about that little run here? So they put on a captain set up long around that whole number and ran it up. We got 1 minute to the cash market open. We're getting a push. We are getting 200 and 100 NT Rinko that is in sync on the short side. I mean, excuse me, it's in sync on the long side. And we're getting action right now. Yeah, we should see a little bit of a reversion to the mean, to the 30 here coming up soon. Right now, the market is in sync on the long side. The target is 757. We are expecting a bit of a push. 27. We should get 27 here in a second. Yeah, we should see a little bit of a pullback here. 27 should be coming up. Come on, come on. I know you're trying. They're trying. Here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Keep trying to bounce it back up. See where we at right here. 31 is the top end of the Globex band. So every time we come up to that level, they bounce it right back up. But I think the market is going to be in this. Damn. Here we go again. They're going to come to that 27. see how close they get to it, but they're going to eventually get there. Keep trying to defend it. And here it comes. Okay. They're not fooling nobody today. So there's a captain set up short on the 50 NT Rinko and that's one of the reasons I said 27. 31.75 was the entry point for it. The 50 NT Rinko captain set up right here. And so that is, look where they did it and what they did earlier. They put a captain setup switch trade right here. Now they're putting on another captain setup right about the same spot. So this is a big time distribution area. So as long as we continue to protect 52, we should see lower prices coming in this structure. Okay. So I would wait on trying to buy the dips till we resolve the structures that we're seeing right now. We have two support areas. Harmony zone number one is 707 by 695, and harmony zone number two is 82 by 72. So those are the two areas that the longs have to protect. They do have to protect. There's a lot of distribution up at these levels, and we got very close to closing the 757 level, and we just simply could not, do it. That's pretty violent. Yeah, that's violent. Okay, so we hit that level. We hit that level. Good lord. Oof. Harmony zone number one shifted upward to 49. Okay, so we should be getting to 49. Next target is 782. Wow. Target 782. they come. Here they come. The 50s. Come to that 59. I'm being patient and just waiting. Want to see more of this price action. AKU, good morning. Okay, that's a switch trade right here. So we should see a bit of a push. Probably to the 50s. So let's take another quick look here. What did they just do here? They put this distribution, that distribution, that distribution, rolled it over, took out the stops, and now they're trying to fade it. So we'll see how strong that is. I mean, that's a breakout now against those distribution level, and they're testing that breakout. Harmony zone number one is 57 by 47. All right, so channel number one established itself. Let's see if they come into this harmony zone number one and how well they handle. Shingo, good morning. I mean, no trades for me so far. I'm just gonna, watch. I guess we got. Let's see here. I have crude oil inventory report at 9:30. So in 45 minutes, that's about it for us as far as news. I mean, the very interesting part about this price action is the extension of it. Look how far, and we gapped up, stopped right here for a second, and just continued. We have a bigger target at 807, right? Like, how many candles in a row is that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 candles in a row. That's massive. I mean, you would think in and around this area the market should pause and come back to refill, but I'm not really gonna be interested in getting ahead of it. I mean, if they put a switch trade right here, I'll take a shot at it. Really? Come on, baby. Nope. That's pretty bad. Mm. Man, they are ruthless today. Okay, that's my stop. All right, I gotta take it. Gotta take that stop. All right, so what are they doing? I mean, the 200 and the 100 are in sync on the long side. I mean, the only thing that got me in here is that you got a captain setup switch trade. The stop there's one stop right here at 77. I wanted to give it a little bit more room. And well, I mean, ES is still running up. We have a target of 102, 102.75. Yeah, yeah. Right after they get you out of the trade. You see that? There you go, you bastards. Oh yeah, that's gonna suck. That's gonna suck. I mean, I know it's not too far, but man, I want to make sure I'm not taking too much risk here. Here comes your 50-point drop, Adam. Yeah, it's okay, man. You gotta take it as it comes. Damn it. Oh. Yeah, we were not off by much. I think we got out here. It's 94s. Yeah. Hmm. Mhm. I mean, the question is, how much room would you give them? You know, I mean, okay, 50 points. Yeah. Gotta give you gotta give him room, but you cannot give him too much room. 53. Yeah, we hit harmony zone number one, bounced right back. The market is out of sync right now with the 200 and 100 um, out of sync. So now it's a two-sided market. Boom. I didn't want that short up there, did I? Son of a gun. Woo. What about that? Mm-mm-mm. Where's my money? So they tested harmony zone number two. Let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, top of the hour. double switch trade, we should see a little bit of a push here. So we're in the neutral zone. We're going to see a two-sided market here. It is a two-sided market anyway. So they pushed it up into harmony zone number 1. So what we're going to see is this consolidation between this area and this area. Here we go. That's the third switch trade in a row. Let's see how far they want to take it. I mean, they're trying to stabilize this structure right here. What I'm looking for right now is really truly looking for the sidelines till we figure out what they want to do with this range. I mean, if they start pulling it up here to the 30s, you may get a buying opportunity. Here we come. Probably 29. Probably will get 29 out of this. Let's see if we can get a push lower. Maybe we'll get the 29s. Yeah, they're consolidating in this area here. We should see a push lower to 29. They keep acting like they're trying to protect it. Okay, I get it. We're at Globex in ES. One more attempt at that 35, and we should flush to 29 and lower. Here it comes. There you go. It's just a part of that personality in that spot. Just the personality. I mean, Adam, you should expect. We should expect a lot of consolidation patterns because the market has went up from 300 to 800. That's 500 points in 2 days. So, this run up and then a consolidation is what we should be planning on. And in our trading, we need to kind of trade the edges of price and not the middle of the range. And that's where I could have made an improvement here. Instead of, trading the middle of the range, wait for a run up and sell into it. But they gave me a signal and I took it. So I'm not going to worry about that. But that's the personality the market is giving us right now. It is a nice pullback. See, they came to the bottom end of the Globex band, which is support, and ran it back up. So right here, we understood the consolidation to a break below 29, and now you're getting a market that's just running back up, and that's so. This is resistance. This is support, and they're gonna spend some time figuring this one out before. Okay. That's a nasty one. Well, now they're back in sync on the long side. The swing trade target still remains the same, which is the 807. Weaker price structure in ES. Okay. Captain set up long here at 49. Yeah, this is violent stuff going on here. Going from in sync to out of sync, a lot of consolidation patterns, flushes, a lot of things like that. Just protect yourself. Don't overcommit. Damn. Okay. Where is the play? Where is the play? I mean, there's what I'm noticing just for as far as personality wise, that they walk the market up. The selling is a lot faster, which really tells me that, you know, the dominant force is more distribution than accumulation at these levels, which puts me in a position where I should be looking more into the shorts. So if we start bouncing back up between 46 to 57, the 51 is an actual entry. I'm just gonna post an order out there, see if we can get there, and I'm gonna keep it light. There you go. Pressure on ES. The target. Okay, let's take a look because there's a difference since ES is weaker than NQ. ES has actually completed a reversal of the 50 NT Rinko and then retested it. So that is going to really weigh heavy on NQ and how it's behaving. I should be looking for rallies to be short, to short the rallies on a scalping basis only. If we get to 707 in NQ, then that's going to lend itself to a swing trade short that has a potential of getting all the way down to 600 and then the 500 on a swing trade basis. Okay, but on a scalping basis, that's the action that we're seeing right now in NQ. ES is a little bit more pronounced as far as the shorts are concerned. The next target for ES is 102.75. Yeah, you just have to be very careful because you're shorting in support right now in NQ. Like this area here, harmony zone number 2. Switch trade right here. So their consolidation in this balanced neutral zone. So the top end of it is resistance, the bottom end of it is support, and they're just basically going back and forth. You really have to kind of break the 715, then eventually the 707 in order for us to get, here we go, wow. Okay. Let's see if we can make it happen. Service manager. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hey, John. How are you? Yeah. Head and shoulders. I mean, if you're looking at this, yeah, you may be looking at that type of pattern. Potential 725 push. 25, yeah. I mean, they're coming to support right here. But the flush that is going to get us to 25. You got the 30, then the 25s. That's the 30. And then the 25s. Close enough, right? My order at that 51, it was close. It was really close. It just didn't fill. And now if they run back up to it, the break is going to be above 55.60, where it has that potential. So there's no sense in me trying to keep that order up there. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel it and look for another opportunity. But you're seeing the this range here, how the market is buying this level and selling that level, and they're in balance. Well, here comes that 25. 25 is hit. The swing trade target for this rotation is still 807, but the market is experiencing a decent pullback and a little bit of technical damage. The longs will come back above 60, and the shorts, to reassert themselves, they got to break the 707. So we're in this area where the market is a two-sided market, where the scalping of the shorts is paying, and the longs, really the swing trade long is taking a pause, but there's pockets of buying interest that we can take advantage of. But the longs are going against ES. So I rather have ES in my favor at all times, and the fact that ES is not cooperating and weaker puts me in a scalping mode on the short side. And the fact that they put a captain set up long here and failed it at this level, that's a weak behavior they just put on. So I'm lining myself up to start getting short. And looking for a signal. Okay. Man, I tell you, if you ever try to buy a car and you put your information out in their system, I've had non-stop people calling me on a daily basis. 9 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock in the morning. Right now, they are just blowing up your phone. Why is that? Because they sold my information to somebody. I don't know why. You're the expert, man. That's why I'm saying it. I need your wisdom. Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of this noise action going on here. So you put a captain set up, you fail it, you run it back up. It's just back and forth action here. I mean, what, they're gonna put another switch trade right here? Then that'll be two switch trades in a row. And let's see if I can even make anything out of this damn trade. Nope. Right, getting out of that one. See that? I mean, like right there, I needed the market to kind of boom, cooperate and not do this. So I was out of that trade quick. And then they flush it. I mean, we're inching so ever closer to 707. And that will pause the market on a swing trade basis. Here we go. Boom. Yeah. All right. Rallies shortable on a swing trade basis. Harmony zone number 1 and 2 shifted to resistance, 32 by 42 and 57 by 67, or two zones to look at. We're looking for rallies to short into. Is volume on? What volume? Volume on me speaking? It should be on. I should be thinking like that. Yeah, I think we had an open mic, so I just shut it down. Thank you, Said. Who's that actually? Steven. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I shut it down. Not me. Yeah, I know. I know it's not you. It's not you. It doesn't matter who it is. It's all good. All right. So ES is behaving short. NQ now is in sync with the ES, and we are rallies are shortable, and we have so much space to the downside. So much space. Look for rallies as a shorting opportunity. We'll reevaluate the shorts if we break anything above 55. Let's go. We need one good solid multi-contract trade. A potential switch trade here. If we get that, I'll take a shot at it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's going on here? So we took the nines and covered the ones and the fours. I mean, that's not bad. I mean, I went from this target two, to target number one. I'll take it. Let's look for another rally and get short. Yeah, that would be interesting. Sh- 5 points or 5 ticks? That's- 5 handles are big. Dale, good morning. Good morning, Dale. Yep. The target on this rotation is 682. 682. Rallies are shortable. We'll reevaluate the shorts if we break anything above 750. Take a break, buddy. Take a break. Let's go. Yep. You got this, Adam. You got this. Yeah, they're punching each other in a in a box here. So we're right here. So that's the channel. That's channel number 2 established. Okay. So if we start breaking anything above 720, then we're gonna probably test harmony zone number 1, which is resistance. And I'm looking for that area as an opportunity to go short. So they can go all the way up to 26. I mean, 26 is not a bad spot, be honest with you. I'll go 26 short. And then I have also a bigger target, bigger entry. And I'll go another one at 40. And that would be my range if they punch it up there. And that would be our test of harmony zone number 1. And if they don't do that and just stay in this channel like right now, I mean, if I want to be aggressive, I can go short at 707. But I think you're going to get a little bit more noise in that area. Just due to the way the market is moving. So switch trade short right here. I'll take it if I can get it, that is. Man. You gotta cancel it. I need to get filled there so I have more space, but yep, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's okay. Let's just keep working. $74 is a target, then 82, then 74. Here we go. Yeah, we should get to that, break. 90, 85, 74. So they're still respecting this channel, short channel, right? We break anything above the 15 and the 25s, we're gonna get a retest of harmony zone number one, which is 32 by 42. right. You see that? Gotta cancel that order. Looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. We just hit glowbacks. We should expect a bit of a counter rally, count to this move. Globex is a typical area where they're going to try to protect the gap, and there's the gap there anyway. So the market gapped up from that 50s to the 80s, and that whole area is going to be a protective gap. So we should expect a little bit of rallies, and in those rallies we get short, right? I mean, I have a lot of, yeah, let's see here. I mean, you got 98s, you got 703s, and you got 719s. This all are areas where we should get reactions. 97s and a half, 703s, and 19 and a quarter. Okay, so that's the 97s. We should get a reaction right here. There you go. Come on. You go to the 91s. Definitely pausing here. Here you go. Okay, let's see. We should get 91s. See that? 97s to 91s. That's all consistent with shorts being active in this area. So that we said 97, 703s, 719s. So now they're putting two switch trades in a row. Damn. Here we go again. If they put a captain setup, I'm going to get in. I'll give it a shot. Okay. Where's my entry? 92s? Okay, well, I mean, I don't like that entry. I'm gonna have to wait for it to close, then run it up. Yep. Come on, give me something. I'll take 94s. Don't sell, don't sell, don't sell, don't sell. Okay. Go break even plus and see if I can get a push into the 80s. Just gonna take it right here. It's gonna get to the 80s. Oh, you bastards. Yep, 80s. I just needed to wait a little bit longer. But that's fine. Made a little bit of money. It's just the captain set up short right here. It's so Dale is saying what now? You still in it? Yeah, you probably should still be in it because it's gonna do what it's doing right now. Yeah, you probably still should be in it. Dale, am I using price action? We're always using price action in trading, but I'm using the Harmony trading system and signals that explains to me what the price action is doing. Yeah, that was a good one, Adam. Here we go. Sell him, sell him, sell him hard. Oh, baby. Put on the pain. So you could, let me see here. Well, I have a website. We have a website, the Harmony Trading System, www. And you could have right here. So you get an access to the software along with a free trial in our private room. You could try that. So the target is 657. We got very, very close to it. And also you get to speak to Adam when you're in the room, and that's a treat by itself. you go. So it's natural for them to hit targets and go back and fill, especially when we're that close to Globex. So just be, you know, be conscious of that. Rallies are shortable. Our big target is 657. ES is progressing on the short side with a target of 96 and a half. And we're moving on the short side. You sure did, Adam. You sure did. You had the vision. Here comes that target. Second attempt at it. Oh yeah, they're filling the gap all right. Yeah, we should be stopping and reversing here to the 60s very soon. So just watch out. 56 is coming up. Here comes the 60. I mean, 56 is a good spot actually, but you know, that's the natural progression of these things. We're gonna go probably see the 60 very quickly here as well. And here you go. 60s and better. So the reason is, you know, why is this happening here? You're hitting a major target right here, target number 5, and on a first touch basis, you'll get a reaction. So if even if the market is trending, this is one of those spots where you will see a reaction. Even the target before that, target number 4, the market just reacted. Ooh, Shingo. Let's keep working, buddy. We're gonna get it back. Man, look at that 69s now. That was a good long if I'm fading, but you know, there's so much space under these levels that I don't want to be in the business of fading when there's so much, you know, empty space between them, between where we at and the middle of the range, which is the 550. That's 100 points. So if the market wants to get ugly, and recently they've been ugly, I mean, they will literally just flush everything under that target. You have another target under it, which is 615. So I mean, that 47 to 616. Oh, 62 on that washout. Yeah. Well, that's good. It was a good short. All right, guys, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys spending your day with us. And let's keep working. No, no. It's only on YouTube, Mike. Only on YouTube. But you could type in like if you want to. Yeah, that's a short signal right there too. So you had a run and a switch trade with an entry at 59 against the 70. We should see a push toward the 47. So let's see how well they handle that. I mean, there's a little bit of stability here, so just be careful. They have the habit of trying to retest Globex, which is 82. Plus, you have Harmony Zone number one. Um, I mean, I give it a shot here if we can close that candle. Here we go. Go, 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 go. $47. Okay, here it comes. If I get even the 50s, I'll take him. I'll take it. Oh man, why did they film me like that? Yeah, I didn't. I was trying to get in the 50 out, but they didn't. They didn't film me. Okay, well, it's still a profitable trade, right? So that was a double switch trade against target number four. It's worth uh, it's worth it going from one target to the other, and the other target is is that 47. So the market is bouncing between those two targets. We took the shorts, made a little bit of money. Let's keep working. All right. So the most effective direction so far has been the short side. I'm gonna go get some water. I'll be back. All right, guys. So, all right, we're back. We're back in action here. So we broke the channel. We came back to retest harmony zone number one. We're testing well. We hit Globex to the tick, and we came back in. The market is establishing a 20 NT Rinko channel to the upside. Here we go. We're looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. We're just getting a counter trend here. ES bounced off. It got very close to its target of 50.90 and bounced right back up. That's one hell of a ass kicking sell off. Yeah, we should be pushing up a little bit here. Wow. So we're hit the bottom end of the Globex band. We're bouncing right back up a little bit here. We should be in the 40, 45 area here. We trade daily, Monday through Friday. And how often? How much? I mean, it depends on the day. Some days I'm trading a lot more than others, depending on how I'm in sync with this market or not. And the more I'm in sync, the more I trade. If I find that I'm not in sync with this market, I'll trade less. Yeah, just that. Hey Adam, I had a community strike for bad taste, so I had to take it off, or otherwise they'll ban me from YouTube. So they're like in the 12s here. Well, let's see how far they're gonna take it back up. Rallies are shortable. We're looking for. Here we go back to that 12. So, Mike, whenever you see that, then you could see the live trading, and just click on that one, and you could see it. So they're bouncing around that 12. I mean, the market is pausing here. We could probably get another, run up to the 30s for a first touch bases. We're looking for rallies to short into. Could see 24s here in a minute, and then from the 24s to the 30s. Okay, so this is something wrong here. Took out the stops right under it and hit the target. So 582 is the next target of this rotation. So we got to harmony zone number one and got faded again. Oof. They like the 12s. They're selling the 30s. They're just in that range right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit the 35s and just kind of tested this again. So we're noticing something here. They're they they took out the stops in this rotation and ran it up hard. They're doing this similar thing, taking out the stops around the 600s and running it up a little bit here. So we need to see why they're doing that kind of thing. Rallies into the 30s are shortable. Anything around that whole number and 12, they're buying it back up. If they go back up to 30, 28, let me see this. Yeah, 29 half. That'll be a captain set up long on the 70 NT wrinkle. That'll be a huge behavior. Target is 582, and they're bouncing it right back up right here. Yeah, so we're gonna see a counter trend in the 605s and 12s. The 12 has been an attracting price right now, so expect a little bit of a counter. Whenever they get that close to an actual target and they flip it, then I'm, kind of expecting a bit of a push. Again, we're looking for the rallies as a shorting opportunity. We just need a little bit of push so we could get involved. Okay, well, that's what they want to do. That's what they want to do. Ran back up, came in. Next target is 557. That's the AKU. AKU 557. Watch out for the 95s. Rallies are shortable. If we get 95s, that'll be a captain setup long on the 30 NT Rinko. So you'll get a counter move. Again, all these counter moves that we're looking at them from the perspective of, yeah, here we go. So we should see a push. Let's see if we can get 605s. Run up. Yeah, if we get 610s, I mean, that would not be a bad spot. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get a push. We'll see. They're playing around 600, so they're trying to trap. You break 600, you're going to push to 610. And we already have a captain set up long at 95. So I mean, we hit a harmony zone number 1 to the tick. Yeah, but I think most likely we're going to see a little bit higher prices. So you have to look at what the market just did here. Captain set up long, so we should see 10, 12. 12 has been something that the market got attracted to. We go again. That's what it is. Yeah, they're gonna push it. Come on. See that? It's just constant back and forth in a very tight range. They're just. I'm trying to see higher prices so I could go short. I mean, they keep fading against that level. I mean, that would be huge if they put 602. Because if they get to 602, they're going to get to 602, 612. Yeah, I know. I may shut it down here in a minute. They want it. I mean, they want it. I mean, it's such a resistance area right here. Yeah, I think I'm getting a little bit tired. So okay, so the bigger picture. Is rallies are shortable unless you break 630. We're looking for 12 to 20 as areas to enter. I mean, really, the stop is that reversal of that 200 anti-wrinkle candle, but that this area here between the 610 to 620 should if it hits, it should hit and come back in, come back in. Okay. That's it for me, guys. I mean, we recovered a little bit. This is where we at for the day. Let's see here. So we had that short up there at 789, right? Took a stop 789. I needed to accumulate in that one, right? But anyway, another stop here, and we just kept chewing at it. So we cut it in half, and now it's just a function of, just taking a break, maybe come back the last hour of the day, and play the game. We're just gonna call it a day. Some days are like I feel like I'm connecting with the market here. I mean, it's obvious, like 4 trades in a row, positive. But that's how the day looks like. All right, guys, that's it for me. We'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have a good one.